Tonight, we are getting a clearer picture of when COVID shots could be available for children ages 5 to 11. A CDC advisory panel will meet the first week of November to discuss Pfizer's pediatric vaccine. Young children would get 1/3 of the dosage given to other age groups. The panel will also consider the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson booster shots later this month. 56% of Americans are now fully vaccinated, but in Idaho, that number is just 42%. It's the third worst vaccination rate in the nation. CBS's Jonathan Vigliotti saw the impact of unvaccinated COVID patients at a hospital in Boise.
What are the current odds of leaving this room?
It's about 50%, a little bit less, right? If you're sick enough with COVID to meet me, your chances of dying are pretty high.
Dr. MCINERNEY says every patient in this COVID ward at St. ALPHONSUS Hospital is unvaccinated.
Why are we here now? What makes this time so unique?
In Idaho, a lot of people do not support vaccinations, and they are making the personal choice to not get vaccinated and distributing misinformation about vaccines.
Idaho has the highest rate of COVID-occupied ICU beds in the nation. Masks are not required indoors. Charge nurse ALICIA LUCIANI says the division over masks and vaccinations is spilling into hospitals.
We do often get family members berating us up one side and down the other because we are not prescribing what they think that we should be prescribing.
The exhausting and polarized climate has also led to troubling protest signs like this one outside the ER calling doctors murderers. St. Alphonsus has lost 50% of its entire staff since COVID began, mostly due to burnout.
Have you ever been so exhausted waking up that morning and you're just like, I don't want to go in?
Yeah, pretty much on a daily basis.
Let's go to another floor.
Luciani has decided to leave the ICU. This is her last shift.
As a nurse, I have put more people in body bags over the last 2 years than I have in the last 9. And it's hard.
Some doctors here are working 12-hour shifts for 10 days straight. According to a new national poll, 18% of healthcare workers have left their job since COVID began. Margaret.
Adding to the toll. Jonathan, thank you.